Service in Binghamton has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Madison County, northwestern Chenango County, until 2 p.m. At 1:11 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Taylor, or 16 miles northwest of Norwich, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Eaton, Hamilton, Lebanon, Otselic, Georgetown, Earlville, Link Lane, Madison, Smyrna, and Pooville. A tornado warning remains in effect until 1:30 p.m. for south-central Oneida and southeastern Madison counties. At 1:12 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Ureville, or 7 miles west of Hamilton, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Morrisville and Pierceville around 1:15 p.m. Hamilton and Pecksport around 1:20 p.m. Madison around 1:25 p.m. Soulsville around 1:30 p.m. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.